Alright, so super simple service today. By no means, like I said, am I an expert, but I've done it a couple times. My bike has 25, well, I think close to almost 2,700 miles now, so I've done it a few times. We're just gonna clean and lube the chain here. So, simple project, but if you're researching the Tenere, like I did, you probably want to watch all the videos you can, just because it's exciting. So, I got some cleaner here. I was buying commercial cleaners that are super expensive for what they are, and I just went to the store, local Fleet Farm, bought some kerosene. They sell it by the gallon, so bought a gallon of kerosene for a couple bucks, got a little spray bottle for a couple bucks, and now I just have that to clean the chain. I've got my Amazon special brush, and obviously some paper towels, and then also I've been using this chain wax chain lube. I don't know, I got it on Amazon, had really good reviews. I haven't had any issues with it. That's about how expert I am. All right, so what I found works, and I'm absolutely not recommending this, is using, I don't have the proper stuff, so I just got a regular car jack here. I just lift it up either on the skid plate, or it's probably totally wrong, but I did it on the rear shock underneath, just enough to get the rear tire up, you know, just a fraction of an inch so that it can spin freely. I don't think it's going to do any damage, but do whatever you want. So just jack it up. Just check the tire. That's all you need. It's not much. I'm just going to go through and coat the chain. I'm going to take my little chain brush here and scrub it down. Just kind of work my way through. After I scrub it, you'll see me spray it, knock all the dirt off, and do it until the whole chain's clean. Simple as that, got the chain clean. So now the issue is the kerosene, though it's cheaper, it takes a lot longer to dry. So what I do is I just take a paper towel, I wipe the chain down as much as I possibly can to dry it off, and then I just let it sit. If it's a nice day and I'm not riding, it's not a big deal. Just let it sit for, I think I've seen people say an hour. So honestly, last time I had to let it sit for a couple hours. I'm sure that depends on the heat and whatever, but let it sit for a while, make sure it's dry, and then I'll come back with the chain wax and lube it up, and then that's got to sit for 45 minutes or so as well to dry. So pretty easy process. We'll just finish it up here. All right, so it's been an hour and a half, something like that. I'm not sure, but the chain's mostly dry. So like I said, I'm back out here. I'm gonna spray this down. I'm actually a little surprised. I don't think it's from dropping my bike, but I've got some paint worn off here. I think it's just from the friction of my pants or whatever. I don't know. It's surprising. I've had bikes before, never had that happen. Not that I can remember, at least. So, pull out picture here, you can kind of see the bike. But the paint's all rubbed off there. Anyways, I always like to take a look when I'm never doing service on any of my machines. Kind of inspect, just take a look and see if there's anything out of the ordinary. Just take note of it. I'm not terribly concerned, excuse me, about the paint wearing off. I'll monitor it. Should be just fine, but we'll keep this chain clean, and I'm just going to go ahead and also wipe up the tire and anywhere else that got that kerosene on it.